Hello and welcome back to Product Critique.
Today, we have an exciting product to talk about.
If you're looking for the best black spray paint for plastic, you're in the right place. We'll be reviewing the VHT Duplicolor ESP820007 black high-temperature plastic paint.
Stay tuned as we delve into all the details and benefits of this fantastic product.
Let's kick things off with an overview of the VHT Duplicolor ESP820007 black high-temperature plastic paint. This product is specifically formulated for high heat applications on plastic surfaces. It's designed to withstand temperatures up to 200 degrees Fahrenheit, making it perfect for various automotive and household applications.
Now, let's talk about what sets this product apart from the rest. Here are its key features.
High temperature resistance. VHT's high-temperature plastic paint is built to handle extreme heat conditions, making it ideal for engine covers, shroud components, and other automotive parts.
No sanding required.
Unlike some other paints, you won't need to sand the plastic surface or use a plastic adhesion promoter. This paint adheres directly to automotive-grade plastics with ease.
Durability. One of the standout features is its resistance to oil and other automotive fluids. It won't flake, chip, or peel, ensuring a long-lasting finish.
Fast drying. Thanks to its easy-to-use spray nozzle, this automotive paint provides maximum coverage and dries to the touch in just 30 minutes. You can handle your painted items within 1 hour, and heat cycle curing is not required.
Let's discuss some ideal uses for this product.
It's not limited to just one application. You can use VHT high-temperature plastic paint for painting engine covers, shroud components, and both interior and exterior plastics. Whether you're a car enthusiast or just looking to enhance the appearance of plastic surfaces around your home, this product has got you covered.
Now, let's shine the spotlight on VHT. This brand is known for providing extreme heat resistance and race-inspired coatings for vehicle enthusiasts. If you're looking for ultimate protection and performance, VHT has a range of products to suit your needs, from high-temp engine enamel to caliper paint. To provide a well-rounded perspective, let's take a look at what customers are saying about this product. It's currently rated at 4.6 out of 5 stars on Amazon with 277 reviews. Most customers are highly satisfied with the paint's quality and performance. Some customers have used it to revamp plastic car parts, achieving impressive results. A few customers mentioned that using a primer is recommended for the best adhesion.
And that brings us to the end of our review of the VHT Duplicolor ESP820007 black high-temperature plastic paint. If you need a reliable and durable black spray paint for plastic, this product certainly deserves consideration. Don't forget to check out the links in the description below to find the best deals and availability. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to Product Critique for more in-depth product reviews and recommendations. Thank you for joining us today, and we'll see you in the next video.